When was the last time? When was the last time you called your best friend? When was the last time you read a book for pleasure? When was the last time you tried something new? When was the last time you spent time in nature? When was the last time you said thank you to someone who deserved it? All I know is that. All I know is that I need a good night's sleep. All I know is that I love spending time with my family. All I know is that I have to finish this project by tomorrow. All I know is that I'm grateful for the people in my life. All I know is that I want to travel the world someday. I'm afraid. I'm afraid I can't help you with that. I'm afraid I have bad news. I'm afraid I'm going to have to decline. I'm afraid I don't understand what you mean. I'm afraid I'm not feeling well. Do you know where the nearest gas station is? Do you know where I can find a good cup of coffee around here? Do you know where my phone charger is? Do you know where I left my keys? Do you know where the restroom is located? It tastes like cinnamon and sugar. It tastes a bit sour, but still good. It tastes like my grandmother's homemade pie. It tastes salty, but I like it. It tastes like nothing I've ever had before.
Why are you so quiet today? Why are you so worried about what others think? Why are you so obsessed with your phone? Why are you so hesitant to try new things? Why are you so hard on yourself? Is there anything I can do to help you? Is there anything you want to talk about? Is there anything you're looking forward to this week? Is there anything you'd like to order from the menu? Is there anything I should know before we start? Just around the corner. Spring is just around the corner, and I can't wait. The grocery store is just around the corner, we can walk there. The end of the year is just around the corner, time flies. The park is just around the corner, we can take the kids there. The deadline is just around the corner, we need to work faster. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating when you can't find your keys. It's so frustrating when your internet connection is slow. It's so frustrating when you can't seem to make progress on a project. It's so frustrating when people don't keep their promises. It's so frustrating when you can't get a good night's sleep. It costs a lot of money to buy a new car. It costs $10 to get into the museum. It costs too much to eat out every day. It costs me nothing to spend time with my friends. It costs a little extra to add avocado to your sandwich.